Hi everyone, my name is Michaela, and today we'll be showing you how to create your own Top Trumps style card game. We had so much fun playing Top Trumps Harry Potter, and we have decided to make our own version with an educational flair to it. In this video, we'll be showing you how to make a country's version of the game from the details collected from CIA's World Factbook website. In our template, we have decided to use the following values from each country: GDP per capita, army size, unemployment rate, total land area, and their population. Now you have your own deck of cards to play. The objective of the game is to win by collecting the cards from all players. There are lots of YouTube videos that teach how to play this game in detail. It's fun and educational for kids and even adults alike. It makes for a fun family night. You'll also notice the simple 3D printed case that we use for our cards. This is actually a case I designed myself and just had the 3D printed with the help of my dad. Please see our upcoming video on how I created it, turning design ideas into reality, computer-aided design for kids. We hope you enjoy this video. Please share, like, and subscribe to see our upcoming videos. Thank you and have fun!